Hello, welcome to the discourse. Now,
Today
before I
six
start with
words
the first
and
word
an
of
exciting
today,
set of
I will
idioms.
request you
We
to
will
please
learn them
subscribe
one
to
by
the
one.
discourse. But before that, we will revise the words that we learned in the previous session. Those words were allude, altercation, ambiguous, ambivalence, analogy or analogy, and annihilate. Allude is to convey something in an indirect manner. Altercation means a loud argument or a belligerent disagreement. Ambiguous is something which is not clear, which have more than one meaning. Ambivalence is to have two different feelings at the same time, two opposite feelings at the same time. Analogy is a comparison between two different things with same features. Annihilate is to destroy something completely or to defeat someone completely. The first word for today is anomaly. A-N-O-M-A-L-Y. It is a noun. In India and UK we pronounce it as anomaly, but in the USA it is pronounced as anomaly. Now the meaning of anomaly is a person or thing or conformity which is different from what is usual. It is something which is in disagreement from the standard, and it is dissatisfactory, not satisfactory. An example for anomaly can be: she has inherited a blood anomaly. Another example can be: the lawyer points out a glaring anomaly in the evidence of the case. The antonyms for anomaly can be normality or usual or standard. The second word for today is anticipate. A-N-T-I-C-I-P-A-T-E. It is a verb. In India and UK we pronounce it as anticipate, but in the USA we pronounce it as anticipate. The meaning of anticipate is to imagine or guess or to expect something will happen in the future. Examples for anticipate can be: are you anticipating a huge crowd for today's program? Another example can be: we are not anticipating any trouble. Now anticipate is a positive word, and the opposites or antonyms for anticipate can be doubt or distrust. The third word for today is antipathy. A-N-T-I-P-A-T-H-Y. It is a noun. In India and the USA it is pronounced as antipathy, but in UK we pronounce it as antipathy. The meaning of antipathy is a strong feeling of dislike or opposition. An example for antipathy can be: he has a steep antipathy against the press, or there is a deep sense of antipathy between the two brothers. The antonyms for antipathy can be liking or affinity. The fourth word for today is apex. It is a noun. In India and UK we pronounce it as apex, but in the USA it is pronounced as apex. The meaning of apex is the highest point or the top of a slope or shape. Examples for apex can be: it was very difficult for him to reach the apex of the hill. Another example can be: he reached the apex of his career during this period. A synonym for apex can be zenith, and the antonyms are nadir or bottom. The fifth word for today is apprehension. APPREHENSION. It is a noun. In India and in UK we pronounce it as apprehension, but in the USA we pronounce it as apprehension. The meaning of apprehension is worry about the future or the fear that something bad will happen. An example for apprehension can be: it is natural to feel a little apprehension before starting a new job. Antonym for apprehension can be confident or confidence. The sixth word for today is articulate. ARTICULATE. It can be used as an adjective and as a verb. In India we pronounce it as articulate, but in the USA it is pronounced as articulate, and in UK we pronounce it as articulate. As an adjective, articulate means able to express one's thoughts and feelings in a clear and easy manner. Articulate is fluent. As a verb, articulate means to express one's thoughts in a clear manner. An example for articulate can be: she is an intelligent and articulate young girl. The antonyms for articulate can be hesitant or inarticulate. So the 6 words that we have learned today are anomaly, anticipate, antipathy, apex, apprehension, and articulate. Anomaly means someone or something which is different from the usual, which is in disagreement with the standard. Anticipate is to guess or to imagine something will happen in the future. Antipathy is a strong feeling of dislike or opposition. Apex is the highest point of a slope or shape. Apprehension is the fear that something bad will happen. Articulate is the ability to express oneself in an easy and fluent manner. Now we will discuss the idioms for today, but before that we will revive the idioms that we learnt in the previous session. Those idioms were a hot potato, barking up the wrong tree, and beat the bush. A hot potato is something recent or current, especially if it is controversial. Barking up the wrong tree is to search something at the wrong place or to accuse someone innocent for a crime which he didn't do. Beat the bush means to avoid talking about the main subject or important topic. Now we will discuss the idioms for today, but before that I will again request you to please subscribe to the discourse. The first idiom for today is call it a day. Now we are familiar with the words call and day, but we cannot deduce the actual meaning of this phrase call it a day by the help of the individual meaning of call or day or any other word used in this phrase, because it is an idiom, and the definition of idiom is it is a phrase whose meaning is different from the meaning of individual words used in that phrase. The actual meaning of call it a day is to stop working on a job or project or task for the day, for the rest of the day. An example for call it a day can be, it is already 5 p.m. So let's call it a day. Now if the job is a day job, then we use call it a day. But if a job is going on during the night and we have to stop it for the rest of the night, then we use call it a night. Both are same idioms and both mean same thing. The second idiom for today is cutting the corners. Cutting corners. It means to do something in a poor way. To do something in an easiest, cheapest or fastest way to save time, money or efforts. An example for cutting corners can be, I do not like to cut corners, especially when I have such a beautiful company for the dinner. The third idiom for today is cost an arm and a leg. The meaning of this idiom is to be very expensive. An example for cost an arm and a leg can be, the current lockdown due to Chinese virus in India is proving to cost an arm and a leg for the laborers. So the words that we have learned today are anomaly, anticipate, antipathy, apex, apprehensions and articulate. The idioms that we learned are call it a day, cutting corners and cost an arm and a leg. I expect you to revise these words and learn them. I will again come back with a new set of words and idioms. But before I call it a day for today, I will request you again to please subscribe to the discourse. Thank you.